Landmark judgment, the US Senate has passed a bipartisan bill on Tuesday to protect same-sex marriage, hailed as a momentous step forward for greater justice for the LGBTQ+ Americans. The bill will go back to the House of Representatives for a final vote before it can go to President Joe Biden. President Joe Biden released a statement after the vote tally was 61 to 36. He said, and I'm quoting here, "With today's bipartisan Senate passage of the Respect for Marriage Act, the United States is on the brink of reaffirming a fundamental truth. Love is love, and Americans should have the right to marry the person that they love." In the United States, same-sex unions have been legal since 2015. But after the court's historic overturning of a long-standing ruling protecting the right to abortion in June, many feared the same for same-sex marriage, which is when this bill started gaining momentum. The legislation is set to codify federal protection for marriage of same-sex and interracial couples. 11 Republicans joined Democrats to pass the legislation on what had for decades been a deeply divisive issue in America. After getting the majority vote here, the bill is on track to become a law in the final weeks before Republicans assume the majority in the House of Representatives at the start of the new Congress in January.
The opportunity to ease these anxieties and fears and give millions of same-sex and interracial couples the confidence and certainty that they need, that their marriages are and will in the future continue to be valid. And with the backing of the American people, we're going to provide that certainty and guarantee those rights and freedoms with the Respect for Marriage Act.
And though the bill would not set a national requirement that all states must legalize same-sex marriage, it would require individual states to recognize another state's legal marriage. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.